Now let's come to the exercise. The poet's shadow. Tick the correct options. The poet's shadow plays with him, dances with him, eats with him, all of the above. All of the above. The poet's shadow do everything with him. He does plays with him, he does dances with him, and he eats with him. The poet's shadow shoots up like an Indian rubber ball, like a proper child, like a banyan tree, and does not grow. The poet's shadow shoots up like an Indian rubber ball. बहुत जल्दी ग्रो हो जाती है वो. The poet's shadow sticks to him like a baby to his toy, a baby to his nursery, a baby to his father, a baby to his teacher, a baby to his nursery. Now answer with the reference to the context. That goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him? What goes in out with the poet? Poet के साथ अंदर बाहर कौन जाता है? The shadow of the poet goes in and out with him. Is it helpful to the poet in any way? Yes, the shadow is helpful to the poet. How is it helpful to the poet? Because the shadow is very playful. The poet is enjoying with the shadow. Name the poet and the poem these lines have been taken from. So the poet's name is Robert Louis Stevenson. What is the name of the poet? Robert Louis Stevenson. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. What are the two things that the poet is comparing in the above sentences? किसको compare कर रहा है? Poet in sentences में the poet is comparing the shadow with the child. Poet shadow को child के साथ compare कर रहा है कि जैसे child grow होता है, shadow वैसे grow नहीं होती है. Who grows slowly? Human child grows slowly. What is the tone of the poem? The tone of the poem is to show curiosity and excitement of a child seeing his shadow. Now, what is tone? Poem की tone क्या होती है? Poem की tone होती है कि poet अपनी poem के through क्या बताना चाह रहा है. What that poet is trying to tell with his poem. अपनी poem से क्या कहना चाह रहा है. तो इस poem में हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? हमें ये पता चल रहा है ना कि वो जो poet है वो बहुत excited है देख के कि शेडो क्या क्या कर सकती है. तो वो उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी और एक्साइटमेंट को बता रहा है बच्चे की कि वो अपने शेडो को देख के कैसे